The new Yamaha YZF-R7 features several improvements over its predecessor, including a tuned-up suspension and a slipper clutch for extra traction security. Power for the YZF-R7 comes from an 8-valve DOHC parallel twin engine that runs in an oversquare configuration. The motor demands high-octane fuel whether you use it on the track or street. It produces 72.4 horsepower and 49.4 pound-feet of torque. The R7 comes with a new slip-in assist clutch that enhances contact patch integrity and improves control. The bike has a top speed of 143 miles per hour. It features sleek, low drag, and aggressive bodywork that draws heat away from the engine, exhaust headers, and radiator. The R7's adaptive LED headlights adjust the light direction depending on the bike's lean angle. Intake ports abreast of the beams feed pressurized air from the front of the bike into the intake tract for a nice boost in performance. To make full use of the bike's bubble screen, you'll have to tuck all the way in. Clip-on handlebars help you to find the ideal riding position. However, they also prevent you from assuming an upright riding position. Given that the seat is only 32.9 inches off the ground, most riders will manage to touch the ground on both sides simultaneously. The R7's frame consists of high-tensile steel and aluminum. A new monocross shock sports spring preload and rebound adjustments to let you dial in the ride out back. The front end is even better with inverted 41mm KYB forks. Both ends rock 5.1 inches of travel meant to handle rough roads or squatting into corners at speed. The 2023 Yamaha YZF-R7 costs $9,199. Color choices include Performance Black, Team Yamaha Blue, and the recently added Intensity White. An R7 competitor you should consider is the Aprilia RS660 from Italy. The Aprilia's bodywork is more about efficiency than style. It has a more powerful engine and better electronics than the R7. However, starting at $11,699, it costs significantly more than the Yamaha.